how to promote your Amazon affiliate links using Pinterest.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links. So in today's video, we're going to see the nutrition and dietary supplements niche. So we're going to explore this niche. As you can see, we have here a lot of posts. So the method is we pick a post from here and we re-upload the same post in our account, and we take a product from Amazon, we take its link and we upload it to that post, and here for everyone seeing that post and clicking on our link, if he purchases from that link, we will get a commission. So let's get into it, guys. We have here a lot of posts, as you can see. We have here these supplements. And here we can find a lot of posts about a lot of supplements. So let's go up and let's pick some post. Let's go with this one. Let's see if we can find this product on Amazon. Let's see if we can find it on Amazon. Let's search for that product. Ctrl V. So I guess that product is not available on. It's not available on Amazon. So let's choose another product. Let's go with this one. This is from Amazon. So this account follows the same steps as we do. So let's take this picture, download image, and let's copy the title of the product, copy, and let's see if we can find it on Amazon. So this is the product. You can find it easily. So this is the product. Let's go to Pinterest. After downloading this image, let's click on create idea pin, open link in new tab, and let's go to this new tab and let's create new. Let's take the image and drop it here. Let's drop the title that we copied, and let's copy the description, and let's also drop it here in the description section. Then let's get our link from Amazon.com. So this is the product. We go to the top of the website, to this text, we click on the text, and this is our link that takes everyone clicking on this link to this page. We go to our post, we add the link, and here we make sure we add all the tags that are related to our topic to make this post appear to a lot of people and to make it a viral post. So let's go with diet, nutrition, supplements, supplements, diet supplements, vitamins. Let's go with vitamins. Vitamin D, skincare products, dietary, let's see if you have detox diet, military diet, anything related to diet and supplement, I encourage you to. Fiber supplements. So after you give all these tags, you make sure everything is correct. The picture is the same as this one. Heliocare Advanced. As you can see, the title also is similar to this one, Heliocare Care Advanced Nectomedia Supplement. And here we see the description if it fits the product, and we check if the link is our link. We click on text. So this is it. So we check these tags. If you can add another tags, let's add them. So after that we hit publish and our post will be published. So guys, for this method to work, you need at least to upload from 10 videos to 20 videos a day using the same method. You can also check TikTok for other viral videos because the videos convert more than pictures. So check your TikTok and re-upload videos from TikTok to Pinterest and linking them with Amazon products. And make sure to stick to one niche. Don't jump from niche to niche to make your account reach a lot of customers. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.